Hi everyone, it's Janis here, and in this video we will explore what is rolling wave planning. Sometimes when you're working on something new and you don't have all the information available, then you can use this planning approach. If this is your first time on this channel, then make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to get updates on my latest videos about time management and productivity. Rolling wave planning is the process of project planning in waves as the project progresses and later details become clearer. When you're planning out your projects or goals, it's great to prepare a plan with all the details and steps that need to be taken. But sometimes there is not enough information about the future steps, as that might be something new for you or final objective is not clear. In this case, you can use rolling wave planning, where you plan the project in stages, and once the stage is completed, you plan the next one. Rolling wave planning is great for mobile games, where you experiment a lot. You might plan to introduce a new gameplay mechanic. Then you test the new mechanic, and based on that, you decide what to do next. You might conclude that new mechanic is not as good as planned, so you want to keep working on it. Or you might conclude that it's great, and therefore you can start to introduce enemies to make the gameplay more fun. You can also use rolling wave planning if you're not sure about what you want to do in the future, and therefore you can test out different options. You might work in one industry for, let's say, 6 months and then assess the situation. If you like it, then you can keep going, but if you don't, then you can try something else. Rolling wave planning gives you a lot of flexibility and opportunity to try out different things. The drawback, however, is that it can cost you extra time to achieve your objective. I hope that you enjoyed this video and I was able to give you a quick summary of what rolling wave planning is and how to use it. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you could press the like button, as this will help the video reach more people and spread the message.